Welcome to Brain Vision.
To begin this question, we can apply Newton's second law in both situations. So for the first situation, Newton's second law tells us that the net force is equal to the object's mass times the acceleration. But the object's net force in this case is equal to Fa plus Fb. Note that I'm adopting that everyone pointing towards the right is positive and everyone pointing towards the left is negative. So here we have Fa plus Fb, and this is equal to the mass times the acceleration. On the second situation, the net force, let me do this. In the second situation, the net force is equal again to the mass times the acceleration. But now the acceleration is different, so let me call it A prime. And the net force is given by Fa minus Fb, because now the force B is pointing to the left. And this is equal to the mass times the new acceleration. So this is what we get by using Newton's second law. Now what can we do to solve for Fa and Fb? Well, note that this is a system of equations. In the first situation, we have Fa plus Fb equals to 8 times 0.5, and this is equals to 4. Therefore, in the first situation, we have Fa plus Fb is equals to 4. In the second situation, we have Fa minus Fb is equals to 0.4 times 8, which is equals to 3.2. Therefore, our system of equation is the following. Fa plus Fb is equals to 4. At the same time, Fa minus Fb is equals to 3.2. Then, how can we calculate the force Fa, for instance? Well, for Fa, we only have to sum both equations. We can see this because here we have plus Fa and plus Fa again, which gives us 2 times Fa. Now, for Fb, we have plus Fb minus Fb, and this gives 0. There is an exact cancellation. Then 2 times Fa is equals to 4 plus 7.2, which is equals to 7.2. Now, the force Fa is equals to 7.2 divided by 2, which is equals to 3.6. Therefore, Fa is 3.6 newtons. Now, how can we calculate the force Fb? Well, now that we know the force Fa, we can plug it in either this equation or this equation to calculate Fb. Make your choice, it should not make any difference. I will choose the first one. So, 3.6 plus Fb is equals to 4. Then, Fb is equals to 4 minus 3.6. Then, the force Fb is equals to 0.4 newtons. It's very easy to check this. 3.6 plus 0.4 is in fact equals to 4, and at the same time 3.6 minus 0.4 is equals to 3.2.